Have you ever thought the reason behind your chronic fatigue, poor digestion, and various ailments you're facing today? Hi, I'm Dr. Shahnaz, an Ayurvedic physician and a clinical nutritionist. I'm passionate in helping people understand the root cause behind their illness. I have been working with Healthify Me as a subject matter expert in Quality of Excellence department. Now, I've started my own clinical practice and I'm passionate in understanding people's body needs and reversing their various medical conditions in a natural and a simple way. So again, I'm coming back to the question. Have you ever thought most of the times when you wake up, you feel low in energy? You're not able to do your daily activities with that full vibe. Sometimes, you're not able to even digest some simple food which you're used to for years. The reason is simple. You have a wrong perspective of your body. You're not listening to the body. You're not giving your body what it actually needs. You're not stopping when the body signals you to stop. This comes majorly in diet and workout routine. And sometimes you're bombarding your body with various stuffs, supplements, etc. when it is actually not needed. So here I'm advising you a rule of 5. First thing is, choose wisely, have proper intake of foods which is actually nourishing you and which your body really needs. The second thing is, you should be aware of the quantities of the food you're taking. There is no food that is restricted or no food which is very healthy. The quantity matters. And the third thing is, you have to combine your food with proper macronutrients like protein and fiber. So you should be aware of that. It's not always about eating healthy. It's about taking the nutrients in an appropriate way. And the fourth thing is, you should be able to align the activities as per the calorie intake. And the fifth and the most important thing, you have to give importance to your gut, your stress, your sleep and hydration level, which most of the people ignore and which is the major reason of increased inflammation. Obviously, the last question will be, what is my role here? So I'll help you to delve into these 5 areas, mentor you, help you to connect with your body's needs and what you actually need to restrict in a more simple and natural way. So right now I have mentored around 1,000 plus clients. I've coached around 600 plus dietitians, and I'm into this field for last 10 to 12 years. So with that experience, I'll be able to help you reverse your medical conditions with proper dietary interventions and correcting your lifestyle. This is your lifestyle mentor, Dr. Shahnaz. Thank you.